Paliba BJP ge lengak asina constitution ge kanglon thugaiduna Chahi Amada assembly Meepham ahumlak kouba ngamdre haina Congress legislature party ge lusingba okram ibobi amade Congress party ge lusingba singna phongdokiba wafam yumpham yaodabani Chahi Amada state assembly Meepham Anirak Phamga-Dabani haiba wafam constitution ge article 174 da mek sengna palli haina law and legislative affairs ge minister Th Basantakumar na sengdorakli kaisam pataliba DIPR Loiseng the Pangtokiba Paugi Meepham Amada Minister Th Basantakumar Makha Taraduna. Manipur Legislative Assembly Rules of Procedure and Conduct of Business ki matungina Assembly Meepham ahumlak Phamga later basu. State Assembly Rules Budi Constitution ngamme. Assembly Meepham Anirak Phamga Constitution Kongaunare Haibak Langani. Haukiba Sacha Lisingani Anidagi, Lisingani Taratruk Fawada, CLP Lusingba Okram Ibobigi Langak Lading Batamda, Chahi Amada Assembly Session Anirak Phamga Yauki. Congress the Pan Kibasahi, Lisingani Kunumdoi, Lisingani Taret, Napigani, Lisingani Ahum, Lisingani Taret, Lisingani Nipan, Lisingani Mapanama, Lisingani Taratrukta, Meepham Anirak Kaktama Pamkibana, Wafum Sigimatang, the Congress the Mamutana Kangpam Toi. State Asida BJP Lengak, Lakiva Kumza Lisingani Taratretagi Lisingani Kun Fawda, Chahi Amada, Meepham Ahumlak Phamke. Adumainama Kumza Lisingani Kun Mathoigi, COVID Lyset Amade Kumza Lisingani Kun Doidage, Toklibe Irangasina. Meepham Masi Aniraktage Hena Kaudabani. State Asigi Pibam Pagalak Labadi, Adumak Meepham ahumlak Phamgani. Lengak Asigi Matakta Maral, Siningba, Fanalayabadi, Nintina Akanghai Tanaraga Amade, Constitution ge Article Sinkumna Naina Bio Haina Fongdoke.
CLP leader, Sribu Bina Harisi, the Indian Constitution ge Article 174, Rule of Procedure and Conduct of Business, and Article 174A. Sina Harisi State Assembly say at least 3 sessions Phamga-Dabani haigiba. Adu kari du Phamgino Constitution violate tawre na adu haigiba. Ahan boin madu hanari sentok chege Procedure and Conduct of Business in Manipur Legislative Assembly. Masida Harisina subject to Article 174 of the Constitution of India, in every calendar year, the Assembly shall have not less than 3 sessions, namely budget, autumn and winter session. Adubu, subject to Article 174, 174 the Anirak Phamga Constitution override the weba, any rule of procedures. Madam, the Constitution is overall authority. Constitution the Assembly form the Constitution the Parliament Chaladuna, high Constitution, precedence over the rules of procedure and Aduna, the allegation, the high city, Kari allegation Tori, Manipur State Congress na Constitution violate the way had it. Masi around Wapami had to me, they comes again,